Can you get to a very rather complex query, SQL query, without typing any SQL? As you see, I'm here in the Snowflake account. I selected this specific database schema. I want to follow this path, regions, nations, customers, and orders, but I don't know any SQL. How to do this? Well, I will expand Ask Pilot. I'll say, give me the total number of orders per nation. Well, it looks good, but I need to filter out any other country which is not in Europe. From the last query, keep only the entries from Europe as our name. It looks good as well. As you can see, this added where filter here, and yeah, everything is filtered by this name. But I no longer want the continent name here, so I will say hide our name from the previous final results. One final request: sort the last result by total orders in descending order. And this is it, guys. I wrote a query without typing any SQL. Basically, I clicked run, 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 and I asked different questions here.